Welcome back to our friends. Today we are going to talk about screenshot setting in VIVO phone. Guys, you want to take a screenshot with three finger. Swipe down to three finger, guys. You want to take this screenshot. So guys, you can take, and guys, how to on this three finger to down screenshot setting in VIVO phone. In this video, guys, I will show you how to on this setting and guys how to use it in VIVO phone. Guys, how can you use it? So before starting with the friends, I want to tell you, if you new my channel and you are watching it the first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys come in. Guys, you can see this shortcut and accessibility. Click here, then guys click on as capture, means screenshot. Slide down with three finger to take a screenshot, then guys on it, and guys now you can see use your two finger, guys swipe down to take a screenshot. Guys, you can take any setting option guys you want to take. So I think friends you have understood how to use three finger screenshot setting, and guys how to on swipe down to three fingers to take a screenshot in VIVO phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.